Hello friends, Realme C11 is the new phone in town that belongs to budget category. It is coming with a gaming chipset which is Helio G35. In this video, I'll quickly review the gaming performance of this phone, test the camera and also talk about the highlighting feature of this phone. So please watch this video till the end and let's unbox the phone. The back of this phone is a pattern design something similar we saw in Realme C3 and Realme 5i. The branding looks quite bold, and here on the top we get to see this square shaped camera setup for dual lenses. One is 13 megapixel main lens and the other is a 2 megapixel lens for bokeh. You can also find an LED flash here. The sturdy looking rear cover can easily withstand the rough handling and you don't need to worry about its body getting scratched easily. The usual volume and power keys are placed on the right side, whereas the left side holds the dual SIM tray that can also accommodate a card of up to 256 GB. At the bottom, it offers a micro USB slot, audio jack, speaker grill and microphone. Flip it over and we find this 6.5 inches IPS LCD that gives an HD resolution. Here on the top, Realme has placed a 5 megapixel selfie camera inside mini drop that is 30% smaller than usual dewdrop notches. So you are getting more display area on Realme C11. The side bezels are noticeable and the chin at the bottom is even bigger, but none of them has negative impact on the display. I think the colors and contrast look quite good on this IPS screen, which is something excellent in this price range. Let's jump to the setting area and have a rundown of the major specs as well. This phone is coming with a Realme UI 1.0 based on Android 10 and ColorOS 7. There is a 2 GB RAM on this variant, but a 3 GB variant is also on the market. But both of them carry 32 GB internal storage. As you can see, I have set up the phone and installed a couple of apps, and I am left with only 8 GB of storage. So a microSD card is a must-have thing on this phone. Realme is quite confident about the newly launched octa-core G35 chipset that is assisted by PowerVR GE8320 GPU. There is a 5000 mAh battery on board and a 10-watt charger comes out of the box. And there is no fast charging option. I really hope the battery matches the performance of Realme C3. That turned out to be an amazing performer. We will definitely test its battery as we do usually, so please don't forget to watch it as well. This phone is not offering a fingerprint scanner. Instead, there is a face unlock that is quite snappier, but I would recommend relying more on the pattern and pin code for safety sake. So guys, let's play some games and see how good this gaming chipset responds. I think games like Subway Surfers and Real Racing 3 are not a major problem. But can this phone also smoothly play games like PUBG and Call of Duty? Let's do a quick test. The sound from the bottom speaker is quite loud and it is not at all irritating at maximum volume.
The safe zone is collapsing. Engaging the enemy. Enemy down. The airdrop is coming.
The temperature has been well under control. That is not a major problem. But I am facing the frame drop issues and some major lags that are not allowing me to carry on my session smoothly. In half an hour on Wi-Fi, the phone has drained 8% of the battery, and I think on mobile data, it will drain half as much as it is drained on Wi-Fi. I think Realme C11 can easily handle smaller games, but you might not be happy to throw graphics hungry games at it. As you can see, after gaming session, it is taking some time to process the commands. I am not able to switch between the apps properly. After all, it's a budget phone with limited resources. The good thing about Realme C11 camera is that it offers the night mode, slow-mo video and the pro mode. You can zoom up to 4x for both videos and still images. It can shoot 1080p videos from both front and rear camera. Let's check the camera now. In my room there is ample white light. Let's take a picture. It's a very detailed image with the default mode. Now let's shoot in the low light. As you can see, the image is quite noisy and I can't read what's on the image. I'm also noticing that it takes a little more time to process the images, and right after it takes the image, I'm not allowed to take a second one before it ends the internal processing. Maybe Realme can fix this lag with an update, or perhaps there should be a better performance on the 3GB variant. The Chroma boost also takes a lot of time for internal processing, and I think you cannot use it for moving subjects. Let's check out some more shots with its camera. So guys, this was a quick review of this budget phone from my side. Realme C11 can easily handle small games that are mostly offline. Definitely you shouldn't expect too much out of it. The camera can take some very nice shots with its HDR mode in the day, but you need to be patient due to its slow internal processing. I believe Realme can fix this lagging problem with an update. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for similar videos. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz.